First of all, the leader of opposition, you have heard, is leading the opposition. And since he's leading the opposition, it will be incumbent on the opposition to deal with that matter. The Commonwealth experience or Commonwealth practice, the party with the leading members of opposition is the one which appoints the leader of what? Opposition. I see no reason why Parliament is coming back and to say, we want to appoint for you or a leader of opposition. Because you're not in opposition, all of you. It is the opposition, and the majority which leads is the one to deal with it. So for me, these things which are coming, I don't see why we're doing it. It's just trying to maybe make Parliament look a useless entity. I think we're just circumcising Parliament to nothing. Because they should leave things operate. And I would call on colleagues who are members of Parliament not to accept that, because it should be, let us follow good practices, and you must note it's a leader of opposition, and the leader of opposition must come from the majority, the leading party with the majority members of Parliament, and that's how you can be able to have a better Parliament. If you want to say that again, it looks we're going to even make everything look so bad and ridiculous. Maybe I will say that maybe we also want to vote the leader of government business. Maybe we also want to vote the whips. That's useless.